In this video, we're unboxing and installing OE replacement front strut assemblies on the Chevrolet Cruze 2014. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. In the box, you'll find the front strut assembly with the spring and top mount. You can also see the installation pamphlet, tools required for the strut removal and installation. You will need large torque wrench, large electric impact wrench, medium ratchet wrench, 22mm wrench, ball-peen hammer, large 18mm deep socket, large 19mm deep socket, large 24mm shallow socket, T50 bit for strut removal, 24mm socket for strut removal. Start by removing the wheel. Remove the lug bolts using a 19mm deep socket. Lift the vehicle and finish removing the lug bolts with the electric impact. Remove the wheel. Remove the brake line bracket and set it aside. Use the 18mm deep socket to loosen the sway bar link nut. Remove the sway bar link. Use the 18mm deep socket with the electric impact to remove the lower strut to knuckle bolt. Use a ball-peen hammer to tap the bolt out and remove it. Separate the strut from the knuckle. Open the hood and set up the hood prop rod. Remove the protective cap from the top mounting nuts. Use the 24mm socket together with a T50 bit to remove the top mount nut. Remove the mount cover. Remove the strut from the vehicle. Position the new strut into place. Peel off the sticker. Remove the top mount nut and the limit cap. Start installing the new strut. Install the limit cap. Install the top mount nut. Use the 24mm socket with the electric impact to tighten the top mount nut. Then torque it to 8 Nm, 59 foot-pounds. Prepare to connect the knuckle and the strut. Slide in the bolt and install the nut by hand. Install the brake line bracket and run on the nut. Use the 18mm deep socket with the electric impact to tighten the lower strut to knuckle bolt. Snug it up with the 18mm socket. Torque the bolt to 100 Nm, 74 foot-pounds. Install the sway bar link. Use the 18mm deep socket with the electric impact to tighten the nut. Then torque it to 70 Nm, 52 foot-pounds. Install the wheel onto the hub and hand thread the lug bolts. Use the 19mm socket with the electric impact to tighten them. Reinstall the top mount protective cap. Remove the prop rod and close the hood. Lower the vehicle. Torque the wheel lug bolts to 140 Nm, 103 foot-pounds. Install the wheel center cap. You are now complete with this installation.